Operating and maintaining 74 forklifts is no easy task. Our team at Orizen Group recently upgraded the 2-a-day forklift fleet to our new lithium-ion batteries.
I'm Eric Stip, as I'm a workshop manager at 2-a-day Group Limited here in Grabouw, and we run a fleet of 74 forklifts here. We've changed to lithium-ion batteries now. Well, we have a lot of time now with extra spare of hands in the workshop as well now. There's no battery bay at this stage. Every battery bay for every forklift is at a designated area, situated, and the drivers do their own intermittent charging. So that is a good thing for us. Just the fact that the forklift is not standing in queues waiting for batteries. Just the fact that the batteries are charged like every tea time and lunch times. So there's no downtime at all for the forklifts.
We asked Eric what him and his team struggled with most while using the old lead-acid batteries.
We don't make it through a full week. It's only Monday till Wednesday about, and then the batteries are flat again. So we have to start from scratch, charging up the batteries, and there's always forklifts standing and waiting to be changed, the forklift batteries to be changed. So that is the main issue of the lead-acid batteries for us.
Besides for minimizing excessive maintenance and battery swaps, lithium-ion batteries significantly improve operational efficiency and costs. But how do these batteries achieve this?
My name is Henk Ryker. I'm the engineering manager at 2-a-day Group Limited. Cost definitely comes down because you don't have that major maintenance as on a lead-acid battery. So much more productive using a lithium-ion fork truck than lead-acid, because there's such a lot of places where you can fool the supervisors with lead-acid. So the running of the machine, we found a lot less damages. So with changing a battery 3 times in a shift, you always get a kink or a ding or something, and normally it's the electronic parts that gets smashed or damaged, and then you sit with a bill of starting anything from 20,000 Rand upwards. So the big challenge was to change them to lithium ion from lead acid, but at the same time to keep the whole fleet going. At the end, we're very glad we went with Orizen. The managing team was always there, and we had good feedback, and all our problems we can bounce off them, and they were always there to help us. They did an excellent job.